Hi everybody, it's 4:02 and 43 seconds. This is mini number 1 for the Avenging Spider-Man number 9, 9.8. There are 10 filled spots. As the instructions explained, whoever comes in first place in the mini is automatically going to get assigned the first 4 available spots in the main. Those spots are 2, 3, 5, and 6. Whoever comes in second place will get the next available spot in the main, which is spot 7. For people that have multiple spots, for example, Justin and Joe, they could come in first and second and win all 5 spots. I believe that goes without saying. Anyway, here we go. Let's roll our 3 dice and let's get this on the road. The number is 10 and away we go. Good luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is the final one. 10. Joe Forte comes in first. He gets spots 2, 3, 5, and 6. Justin comes in second. He gets spot 7. The time is 4:03 and 55 seconds.